Acid rain, I feel the pain, going insane, nobody knowing my name, going out without a flame, losing my mind, can only see crime. Wondering when will I die, don't leave the house without my Bible with my sister's name on it. Told my mama I'ma make it, so wait on it. Just a little boy born without a cradle. Only thing I had was a broken halo. I had my wings but they don't fly. Growing up told them when you killing me don't cry. You're gonna be laying by their side and that's something you can't mind. So you better figure out the time, cause if you ain't ready there's plenty others willing to move steady. No petty, but this ain't a game, man. We play with lives like it's hangman. Knives and guns, choose your weapon. It's yours in possession. Get used to dope obsession. City's eyes will bleed, so keep your aggression. Got each other's back with no question. Just some killers for transgression. We're making the second Great Depression. Society's force of view of oppression. So disconnect from all of expression. Blood red eyes, can't even enjoy getting high. Money on my mind, gotta get the time. Figure out the rhyme, cause the lyricist always grinds. Tired of being trapped in the city where a drum circle will become heroin city. No more propinquity, that's how it is essentially. Just don't forget to mention me and you might be let free, but that's not a guarantee, cause they enjoy to see bodies bleed. Guilty we plead, you signed the deed, all eyes on me, now you see. Went from being broke as fuck, no luck, to selling drugs out my truck. I got a family to feed and I'll stop any motherfucker trying to stop me. Never know when your life might go, so all my final days I'll bag a hoe. Death's right around the corner, so creep slowly. Trying to keep my life semi-holy, but I wanna watch a motherfucker die slowly. Watch a bitch dethrow slowly, and to me that is holy. My actions are decided poorly, and for me I'm a little bit sorry, kinda, cause I barely knew the bitch hardly. Keeping that shit close to the Glock clock, keep it airlocked, cause you're always on the time clock. Never know when you're being washed like a hawk. Don't wanna end up dead on the sidewalk with your body looking blue, picked up by the cleanup crew. Never see the light of your breakthrough, never make it back by curfew. Dinner plate left cold on the stove cause your son ain't never make it home. Now you made it to another place for the soul, just another story untold. That's what happens when you slip up, when you fuck up, running out of luck. Bitches don't wanna fuck, money not moving, getting kinda stuck, trying to make a quick buck. Shit not gonna happen when sitting down stuck like a sitting duck. One chance to make a first impression, better use the cement blocks for head compression. And for me that's compassion, never wait till late to take action, yeah.